Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're trying to upgrade your bike setup for smoother rides, better control, and easier handling on rough terrain, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best dropper posts chosen for ride comfort, durability, ease of installation, and overall value. For more details and latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. JFOYH 900i Dropper Post. Looking for smooth performance with reliable height adjustment on bikes designed for internal routing? The JFOYH 900i Dropper Post delivers exactly that combination. Made specifically for frames with internal cable paths, it blends neatly into your bike without external clutter, giving your ride sleek, modern feel throughout rides. The post comes in 2 diameters, 30.9mm and 31.6mm, so choosing correct size remains essential before purchasing. Once matched properly, it fits snugly and performs consistently on trails without issues. Its remote lever allows quick, controlled seat height adjustments, letting you shift positions instantly when climbing steep hills or dropping into technical descents safely. Made from lightweight 7075 aluminum alloy, the post maintains strength without adding excess weight to your bike. Depending on length and travel distance, it ranges from roughly 480 grams to 670 grams total weight. Number 2. Bibike 440mm Dropper Post. Want durable, externally routed post with simple mechanics and adjustable performance? The Bibike 440mm Dropper Post offers exactly that capability. Designed with 27.2mm diameter and 440mm length, it offers 125mm travel, giving comfortable range for climbing, cruising, and descending effectively. Made from tough 7075 alloy, it maintains lighter feel for its size while supporting maximum rider weight up to 200 kilograms. Impressive for externally routed models available today. The adjustable lifting speed is a useful feature. By tightening or loosening hex nut near lever, you fine-tune how quickly posts return, allowing personalized riding experiences. Cable setup remains straightforward, though it requires leaving extra length until all adjustments finish, ensuring future tweaks stay easy throughout ownership. While it only fits bikes with true 27.2mm seat tubes, riders with larger tubes can use shims. Number 3. OneUp V3 Dropper Post. Need one of most refined, rider-focused droppers available on market today? The OneUp V3 Dropper Post delivers lightweight performance, smooth action, and long-term reliability consistently. Known as lightest, infinitely adjustable dropper on markets currently, it suits wide riding styles, from aggressive trail riding to everyday mountain adventures without sacrificing strength or consistency. Compact overall length and short stack height make it easier running more travel even on smaller frames for diverse riders. This helps riders maximize clearance and control throughout descents and technical sections. Updated internals include ultra-low friction Inkesky bushings and high-quality SKF seals, reducing resistance, giving posts smooth, effortless feel. Another highlight is long 350-hour service interval, meaning riders spend more time trails and less performing maintenance work. When service becomes eventually needed, V3 remains intentionally designed simple, working on at home using basic tools or OneUp EDC multi-tools provided. Number 4. Bracket Actuated Dropper Post. Looking for practical, cable-free solution for easy height adjustment without complications, the Bracket Actuated Dropper Post offers exactly that approach. Without committing to complexity of traditional, internally or externally routed remote systems, it provides genuine convenience throughout use. Built from aluminum alloy and weighing around 725 grams, it balances durability with reasonable weight for everyday cycling throughout extended seasons. Posts come in standard 27.2mm size, but include shims, making them compatible with wide-range seat tube diameters, saving riders purchasing adapters separately. This makes them versatile options for touring bikes, commuter bikes, urban riders, cargo bikes, and family-shared bicycles where different riders frequently adjust saddle heights throughout days. Instead, using remote levers, height changes use seat-mounted actuation levers, making installations extremely simple. No cables, no routing, no special tools required. Number 5. Inkesky 34.9mm dropper post. Want smooth, reliable, internally routed option with refined control and performance? The Inkesky 34.9mm dropper post delivers exactly that throughout extended use. Featuring Taiwan-made cartridges, it delivers consistent movement and dependable rebound, maintaining stability and comfort during climbs, descents, and terrain changes. Designed for internal routing, it gives bikes clean, uncluttered look, though riders should double-check frame compatibility before installation thoroughly. Patented remote lever stands out, offering 188-degree rotation and 13mm horizontal adjustment, allowing positioning exactly where thumbs naturally rest comfortably. Both posts and levers use 6061 aluminum alloy, providing solid strength and lightness suitable for regular trail use throughout seasons. To help riders setting up easily, brands include complete installation videos, particularly helpful for beginners or anyone installing dropper posts for first times. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dropper posts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews on cycling gear, bike upgrades, and outdoor essentials. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.